Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Figma to Zeroheight component syncing, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Figma project that contains the components you want to backup. Select the components you wish to sync with Zeroheight. Ensure that your components are organized in a single frame for easier access. Head over to the Zeroheight website and log into your account. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to sync the components. Navigate to the section in Zeroheight where you want to import the Figma components. Copy the URL of your Figma file from the address bar. Return to the Zeroheight project and locate the Connect to Figma option. Paste the Figma file URL into the provided input field. Click on the Connect button to establish the link between Figma and Zeroheight. Once connected, you will see an option to select specific components from your Figma project. Choose the components you want to sync by clicking on them. Review the import settings to customize how the components are presented in Zeroheight. After you have made the necessary adjustments, click on the Import button. Wait for the components to sync. This may take a few moments depending on the size of your selection. Once the sync is complete, you will see the components appear in your Zeroheight project. You can now edit or update the components in Figma as needed. Any changes made in Figma will automatically update in Zeroheight, keeping your documentation. To verify synchronization, make a small edit to one of your Figma components. Allow a few minutes for the changes to reflect in Zeroheight. This ensures a smooth and reliable backup process between Figma and Zeroheight. Regularly check your Zeroheight project to maintain an updated and organized component library. For any issues, refer to the Zeroheight support documentation for troubleshooting assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.